Right, next is Wazeer from Lattafa. There's the box. I just clipped my nails, so let's get out the knife. For all you cellophane heads again. Some of you love that. I don't. It's like nails on a chalkboard to me, but whatever. It's got like a nice little velvety kind of thing on the top and the front. That's all like velvety. Yeah, not a bad little box. Not that I care. I just put them in a closet. But let's take her out and see. Geez, they really don't want you getting into this one. Holy crap. Oh, that's why. The bottle's got that velvet feel. Don't really like that. Don't mind it on the box, but not the bottle. But anyway, it's just a bottle at the end. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. How do you get that off? Oof, geez, hard to get off. Not as heavy as the other one, but still a metal cap. So this is Wazeer. People are saying Loam, Guerlain Loam, Adiel or whatever, and or this weird thing that I never heard of from some company I never heard of. It's like Velvet Iris from Panadora. It's supposed to have notes of chocolate, mint, amber, orange, caramel, woods. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. It took a while to spray. Not a good sprayer at all. Not at all, actually. There might be a bit of a... Try that again. Oh, that's better. I just fucked it up. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah, sweet and minty almost kind of vibe. Would you definitely pick up the sandalwood right away? That's weird for that, but kind of chocolate mint. Just kind of. More of the orange right now, actually. Orange, kind of slight chocolate vibe. A hint of mint. Yeah, not not what I was expecting, but not bad. Sweet kind of scent. Very what's the word I'm looking for? Mass appealing kind of vibe, like a designer. I'm not picking up L'Homme Ideal from Guerlain from it, but well, maybe slightly. Anyway, yeah, I'll be back with another one.